Number 21. Play baseball. It means to participate in the sport of baseball, which involves batting, running bases, and fielding.
He likes to play baseball on the weekends. He likes to play baseball on the weekends. She learned to play baseball in high school. She learned to play baseball in high school. Kids often play baseball at the park. Kids often play baseball at the park.
Number 22. Lose a battle. It means to be defeated in a conflict or competition.
Even great generals can lose a battle sometimes. Even great generals can lose a battle sometimes. They lost the battle, but not the war. They lost the battle, but not the war. Losing a battle can be a learning experience. Losing a battle can be a learning experience.
Number 23. Win a battle. It means to be victorious in a conflict or competition.
With teamwork, they managed to win the battle. With teamwork, they managed to win the battle. She won the battle of wits with clever arguments. She won the battle of wits with clever arguments. It felt good to win the battle against the rivals. It felt good to win the battle against the rivals.
Number 24. Do athletics. It means participate in sports and physical exercises, often competitively.
He goes to the stadium to do athletics every day. He goes to the stadium to do athletics every day. Schools encourage students to do athletics for fitness. Schools encourage students to do athletics for fitness. She decided to do athletics to improve her health. She decided to do athletics to improve her health.
Number 25. Pat on the back. It means give someone praise or recognition for something they have done.
After the game, the coach gave him a pat on the back. After the game, the coach gave him a pat on the back. She deserves a pat on the back for her hard work. She deserves a pat on the back for her hard work. A pat on the back can really boost someone's morale. A pat on the back can really boost someone's morale.